Hi everybody, my name is Walter. I am 26 years old. I live with my little daughter in Valledupar, Cesar. I study system engineering at UNAD. I can say that in my free time, I really like to read Walter spend time with my family, and in fact I did that on my first vacation. I traveled a lot and I spent quality time with my loved ones. Next, I am going to show you step by step how to make some cordon. For this, we must have the following ingredients. Type sausages. 2. 10 steak of chuzo. 3. 70 grams of flour. Right. 4. 70 grams of corn flour. 5. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 6. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 7. 1 gram of salt. 8. 1 egg. 9. 125 ml of milk. 10 sunflower oil. First, we cut the 5 sausages in half to obtain 10 equal pieces. We take each pieces of sausages and 30 chuzos stick halfway. After we finish placing al steak, we begin to prepare the batter or prepare the overflow. Place the wheat flour, corn flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Stir to mix everything well. On the other hand, in a bowl, add the egg and milk. Beat with a fork until smooth. Pour this mixture over the flour and mix until smooth. When we had the mixture ready, we pass it into a nylon glass so that later it is easier to overflow the sausages. Having said this, we can now move on the last step, which is to fry the dogs. We do the same process with everyone, and finally we can taste our delicious dogs. That's all of today. Thank you very much. God bless you.